Is it time to buy or sell Sharps Technology stock? In this video, we will explore Sharps Technology in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of April, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since February 21, 2025, our system has categorized Sharps Technology as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.25. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has encountered a decline of 88.06%. This equates to an average loss of 2.38% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend upwards. Firstly, a slower falling rate is indicated, but this may very well be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support on the roof of the current trend broken, which is -133 thousandths, a level that may present a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, 464 thousandths will be the next possible trend top level, and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential -98.37% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -100% and -105.09%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a -62.53% projected change. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -100% to 3,964.57% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $1.73. Our latest daily update for Sharps Technology includes the headline, Significant Movements in Sharps Technology Inc. stock price on Monday, fluctuating 35.77% between high and low. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 14th of April, 2025, the stock price of Sharps Technology Inc. increased by 70%, rising from 2.5 cents to 4.25 cents. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a short pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 35.77%, with a low of 3.83 cents and a high of 5.20 cents. Although the price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, it has still risen by 42.14% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 365 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 986 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $41.91 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $18.15, while the lowest was 1.12 cents. Currently, the price stands at 99.77%, or $18.11, below the 52-week high, and 99.95%, or $79.60, below the all-time high recorded on the 19th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $79.64. Sharps Technology Inc. is generating notable attention as it prepares for a pivotal shareholder meeting on the 28th of March, 2025. During this meeting, shareholders are urged to assess and vote on key proposals. This emphasis on shareholder engagement is crucial for bolstering confidence and could have a positive impact on stock performance in the short term. Earlier this year, the company successfully completed a public offering of $20 million, enhancing its financial strength and manufacturing capabilities. This capital raise sets the stage for accelerated production of its patented syringe products. Such developments not only position Sharps favorably for immediate revenue growth, but also have the potential to attract investor interest, driving stock prices up as confidence in future profits builds. Additionally, Sharps has regained compliance with Nasdaq listing requirements, which stabilizes its market presence and further enhances investor sentiment. The recent announcement of operational advancements in its facility in Hungary is anticipated to expand product supply, potentially leading to increased revenue streams. In the long term, if Sharps continues to execute its strategies effectively, maintains compliance, and delivers on its growth initiatives, investor sentiment could strengthen and positively influence its stock trajectory. However, the execution of these plans and sustained performance will be critical as the company seeks to reinforce its market position in the competitive medical device sector. Analysts have assigned Sharps Technology stock a general sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Sharps Technology. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 9th of April 2025, and so far it has risen by 203.57%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the short-term development. The stock of Sharps Technology Inc. holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative forecast. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at 0.196. Conversely, if it declines, support will be found from the short-term average at 0.0232. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative outlook. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivot suggested a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. Upon reviewing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a sell signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 150 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 199 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Sharps Technology. Sharps Technology Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at 0.0423, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.0137 between its high and low, which represents 35.77%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 60.84%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Sharps Technology, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Sharps Technology. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Sharps Technology encounters its first support level at 0.0423. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point as you anticipate a rebound. The combined average rating for Sharps Technology from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Hayes Robert Michael, who bought and sold 301,700 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 98.008. Overall, insiders purchased 2,620,403 shares and sold none in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Sharps Technology stock a good buy? Sharps Technology Inc. currently presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 15th of April, we anticipate that Sharps Technology will open higher by approximately 180 tenths of a dollar, starting at around 4 cents and 43 hundredths of a cent. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be made solely based on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.